Hello. So it's dinner time. It's 10:17. This is the only thing I've eaten today. I got this tea in and I drank 2.5 cups of that. One of them is a weight loss tea. It was so bitter I was only able to drink like a half of the cup. Anywho, I got 5 olives here. I got some yellow squash. And then I found this recipe for Keto Rewind. She did an avocado chicken salad, and I said that looks really good. And she made a point, like when you're on keto, you can't eat regular mayo. And I have the keto mayo, but trust, it don't taste the same, not by far. And so I don't know where she got the recipe from, but she used avocado as like in place of the mayo. So I said, okay, let me try that. So I went and got my chicken thighs out, threw it in the crock pot, and let it cook down all day. Then I shredded it up with some celery, onion, yellow onion. I made my guacamole like with some minced garlic, lemon juice, and my seasoning, some sea salt, pepper, and my all seasoning spice, and it's actually pretty good. So this is like 6 ounces of it. I put it all together as like a recipe, and then over it is a salad. It's over just like a salad with some cucumber, some butter leaf salad with cucumber, onion, cherry tomatoes, a half a slice of bacon because I burnt the other half, onion, and my avocado ranch dressing. I think that's all that's in there. So yeah. So I forgot to add my butter for making my squash. But anyway, this is basically like my macros. Hopefully I don't get hungry later in the night, but we'll see. Hopefully this will satisfy me. But these are my macros. Not the best. I like to do over 1,000 calories. Today I just ran the bleachers and I walked around the track twice. I didn't do anything else as far as workout, so it wasn't a strenuous workout, but we'll do better. I took my supplements, my pure omega pure forms, and my apple cider vinegar pill, and again I drank these herbal teas. The video for that will probably be up before this, I'll see. But yeah, that's about it for Thursday night. So we'll get back at it tomorrow. Peace. Hey, happy Friday. Hope everybody is enjoying their day. So today I'm breaking my fast kind of early. I'm not going to fast as long today. Kind of like try to switch up my fasting times every day to keep my body guessing. But normally I like to do anywhere from an 18 to a 21-hour fast per day. So I got this recipe from Keto Rewind and it looked good. Y'all know I've been trying different cheeses, so I did go and get this Boursin cheese, and it does taste good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make an omelet. I got my 3 eggs and a tablespoon of whipping cream, heavy cream. These are the eggs that I use. The cheese is going to go inside of my omelet. I have to make my meat, so I put my hamburger in the oven. And then I have a piece of shallot already in my food processor right there. So when it comes out, because it's in the burger form, I'm going to put in the food processor to chop it up. This is the butter I'm using to just brown, for my meat to add the seasonings and stuff in the pot. So I'm using a tomato paste. It's organic. I got this from Sprouts. For 2 tablespoons, it's 4 grams of carb, 1 gram of fiber, so 3 net carbs. I got my chili powder and then some smoked paprika that I'm going to season mostly this up with. And I do got some coconut palm sugar, just in case I want to add a little sweetness to it. But this is what I'm doing. So this is for my eggs, even though it's melting. This butter right here melts so quick. Like, if you take it out and leave it out for like 2 minutes, it's already starting to melt. So yeah, I'll be back. So this is my burger. So I'm gonna put it in the food processor to chop it up. So this is how it looks. It's all done. This is 5 ounces of hamburger meat. So I'm gonna probably cut this in half and do half, say the other half maybe for tomorrow. Let me get the eggs going. So I just flipped my eggs. So I'm gonna add my cheese, which is already measured out, 2 tablespoons, and then this is 3.5 ounces of the hamburger mixture. So here is my TexMex omelet. I think it's gonna taste good. Look how melty that cheese is. So it's easy to make, and especially if you have leftover ground beef or something. It's not hard to make. So I'll see you later. Hello, hello, hello. Happy Friday. Hope everybody had a great week. I want to start off by saying, number one, if y'all could come in and you watch my videos or just give me a view, can y'all hit that thumbs up so my videos could get into the analytics? That's very important. It's free. Just hit that thumbs up. Number two, I want to say rest in peace to Chadwick B, Black Panther. It was very unexpected, very heartbreaking and sad. And I just pray for peace and comfort for his family. So here, I made my own loaded fries. I went to McDonald's, got me a large fry, told them to make it fresh. And I put on here some avocado, tomatoes, onions, and my, how you say that stuff? Bori something, cheese on top with the rest of that beef, the TexMex beef, and then the chicken thighs. I still had one left, so I shredded up part of that. That was left from yesterday. I still got a little bit left I can use. And then I'm going to have this Greek yogurt and banana cream. No, it's not keto. I'm off from keto tonight for dinner. I did do keto for my lunch, as y'all will see, the TexMex omelet. But and I am having me a soda, but it's the Virgil's sugar-free. What is it at? Yeah, 0 sugar. So even though I wanted to get me a Sprite with extra ice from McDonald's, I said no. I'll pick and choose. Since I'm doing the fries and my yogurt, I'll just do a sugar-free soda. So this is what it is. And then I probably will drink my herbal tea sometime later tonight, maybe, if I'm still up. So hope everybody has a safe week. Y'all be safe out there. And until tomorrow, peace.